A sitting US congressman HAS just dropped a bombshell that could shake the foundation of what we think we know about extraterrestrial life. A claim to have seen classified alien reports so disturbing they could angle the nation and keep Americans up at night. But what exactly did they see, and why would it be so destabilizing? When a member of Congress speak about classified information, people listen. But when that same congressman claim to have seen evidence of extraterrestrial life so disturbing it could threaten the very fabric of society, it demand full attention. This isn't some conspiracy theorist on a street corner, this is an elected official with access to the highest level of government intelligence. What he is suggesting goes far beyond simple UFO sighting or blurry photograph. He is talking about evidence so profound, so potentially world-altering, that those in power have deemed it too dangerous for public consumption. But what could possibly be so threatening about the existence of alien life? And why would a congressman risk his career to reveal even a hint of what he has seen? Congressman Tim Burchett, a Republican from Tennessee, didn't mince word when he spoke to News Nation about what he claimed to be in classified government report. According to Burchett, he has seen documents detailing extraterrestrial encounter that would fundamentally shake the American public's understanding of reality. It would angle the country, he stated bluntly. It would be a complete and utter shock to people. But Burchett didn't stop there. He went on to suggest that if Americans knew what they knew, they'd be up at night, unable to sleep, grappling with the implication of what our government has been hiding. This isn't just about acknowledging that we are not alone in the universe, Burchett implied that the truth is far more disturbing than most people could handle. The question became, what exactly could be in this report that would cause such a profound reaction? What kind of evidence would be so earth-shattering that it could potentially destabilize an entire nation? To understand why this information might be so destabilizing, we need to consider the psychological and social implication of full disclosure. If the government were to confirm not only the existence of extraterrestrial life but also reveal that these beings have been interacting with Earth for decades, or even longer, it would force a complete re-evaluation of human history, religion, and our place in the cosmos. But Burchett's comments suggest it goes even deeper than that. The fact that he specifically mentions people being up at night implies something more sinister than mere contact. Are we talking about threats to national security? Evidence of hostile intention? Or perhaps something even more disturbing, like the revelation that these beings have been influencing human affairs in way we can't even imagine? The congressman's choice of word is deliberate and calculated, hinting at a truth so profound that it could shatter the very foundation of our society. And if a sitting member of Congress believes this information is too dangerous for public consumption, what does that say about the power structure that have been in place for decades? This isn't the first time a government official has hinted at disturbing truth about extraterrestrial life. Through history, there have been numerous accounts of president, military official, and intelligence officers suggesting that the reality of UFOs and alien contact is far more complex than what the public has been told. From President Eisenhower's alleged meeting with extraterrestrial to the Pentagon's recent acknowledgement of unexplained aerial phenomena, there's a pattern of secrecy and selective disclosure that span decades. The Roswell incident, the Phoenix Lights, and countless other sightings have all been met with official denial or vague explanation. But why? If it's simply a matter of acknowledging alien life, why the decade of secrecy? Burchett's comments suggest that the truth isn't just about the existence of extraterrestrial, it's about what they want, what they've done, and what that means for the future of humanity. The government's reluctance to disclose this information might not be about maintaining power, but about preventing widespread panic and social collapse. After all, how do you prepare a population for a reality that challenge everything they've ever known? Congressman Burchett's revelation about classified alien report that could angle the nation force US to confront uncomfortable question about what our government knows and why they've kept it secret for so long. HIS position a an elected official with access to classified information lend credibility to his claim, making it harder to dismiss a mere conspiracy theory. The implication of his statement suggests a reality far more complex and potentially disturbing than simple extraterrestrial contact. A more official come forward with similar account, the pressure for full disclosure continue to mount. But the question remains, are we ready for the truth, whatever it may be? If a US congressman Clindis classified report could include the nation, what exactly did they see? And more importantly, what would you do if you knew the truth?